This problem asks us to convert from graphing form to standard form. Remember that graphing form is your y equals a times x minus h squared plus k, but standard form doesn't have any parentheses squared. It's just y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So we want our answer to look something like this. The key for this is to remember that you have to follow your order of operations, PEMDAS, in order to simplify it correctly. We're going to start with our exponents because there's nothing to do inside the parentheses, so we have this whole quantity squared. Highly recommend that you create a generic rectangle so that you can multiply this out. It's a perfect square, x plus 6 times x plus 6. So you have x squared plus 6x plus 36. So when you write that out, the sum of that is x squared plus 12x plus 36. That's all the stuff that we got from our exponents work. You still have a 5 out in front of that parentheses and a plus 96 at the back of those parentheses. Following that, we're going to do our multiplication step, which means we have to do our distributive property with all those parts. So you have 5x squared plus 60x plus 180. And you have y equals that stuff plus 96 still. So we're going to finish with our addition, which is our last step here. And so we're going to add our 180 plus 96. When you add that together, you get a total of 276. But you still have your 5x squared plus 60x out in front, and that would be your answer. That is your answer in standard form. Follow your order of operations. Make sure that you do your x plus 6 quantity squared correctly. Distribute the 5, add the 180 or the 1's together, and that creates your standard form.